PCT, we are a manufacturing company specializing in engineering and electron beam capital equipment. We've been making electron beams for 25 years. Very green, no VOCs to the environment. A lot of recycled material use electron beam.
An electron beam produces accelerated electrons. So we use tungsten filaments and we heat those filaments electronically. Then we use a voltage potential to accelerate those electrons into a substrate, a coating, adhesive, different types of material that can initiate a chemical reaction. We use those chemical reactions in different industrial processes, curing a coating, to sterilization, to cross-linking polyethylene. There's a lot that can be done with electron beam.
That go into flexible packaging or shrink wrap, medical materials that go into filtration, sterilization, some automotive. The relationship between PCT and S1 is fairly new. We have had several mutual customers over the last 7 years, and through the past 7 years, we realized that we could help each other in our business development because they complement what we do and we complement what they do within flexible packaging for that specific application. We can manufacture what they want to build, and we can offer a turnkey solution that's completely 100% American-made, that's fabricated, assembled right here in Davenport, Iowa, and through S1's distribution network, we can reach a lot more customers. So the relationship has been very successful, and we think the future's bright.
They didn't have just one product to do it all. They were always working on specialty projects. So digital being an emerging market for flexible packaging, it made sense to partner with a company that could do the same. Today we reviewed the first ever CatPak built in partnership with PCT. So it took a lot of the designs from our original CatPak with CDA and made some improvements to it.
The CatPak line has two types of processes. So you can cure a overprint varnish, OPV or coating, and in that we just have a single web, and you're applying the coating using indirect gravure. That coating goes on, it goes through the beam, that curing process happens, so it does go from liquid to dry. And also on the CatPak, we have the slitting capabilities during that rewind process.
You kind of know the results of your product as soon as it's gone through there. There's no waiting period, so you can go straight from printing to eBeam to pouching all in one day.